beach river in Korea is very slightly different. Chiliwong River has many, what we call that, strong, powerful trade.
Water speed is very fast.
Yes, the speed is very fast because the character of the landform, and we still have to solve making any solution to the what we call the Korea doesn't the river, the character river of the in the Korea doesn't have the similar type of the Chiliwong River. You deal with just the aesthetic of the river, how to make the river beautiful, look good, and not smell bad, something like that. But we have the heavy problem more than the river of the Korea problem.
Yeah, but I think you can find the solutions, because if you want the speed faster, you can use the power.
Use the power for the electrical.
Whatever you can use. If you want it faster, you can use the power of water for your certain purpose. You know, in my garden I have a deep pond, so water is very slow. So I wanted to think, wow, water is a little bit of pain. I will do this one, this one. That's the thing. Maybe you can, if the water is very fast at a certain place, maybe you can think about something without that water speed. So that's the idea, local idea. Maybe you can check your traditional culture. They use that kind of energy for their certain purpose. So that is they make the space, the place, the station. Not like Korea. There's only Chilean can have that kind of space, cultural space, because of the water speed. I like the water speed. Maybe they can do something. That's think positively.
Yes.
There's a kind of a potential, not either, it's not a constraint. It's a potential.
So we should